let's take a look at how to clean your air fryer. So I got my Cuisinart air fryer, and I actually fried some chicken wings in there, which means you get a lot of stuff on there you want to get off. So let's go ahead and clean this out. First thing, we're going to take out the air fryer tray, which is going to catch all those drips. And I like to put some soap, soak it for a little bit there, and then we'll just wipe off the inside here too with a paper towel with a bit of soap on it, get that glass clean from the inside of the fryer there. Things tend to splatter, so that glass surface or any part of the inside of your air fryer tends to get that grease on it. So let's clean that off. Looks a lot better on there. Now let's take the rack out too. We'll throw that in, let it soak a bit as well. And we're not going to actually pour this down the drain. You don't want to pour that grease down the drain. So instead, I'm going to take a paper towel. Once it's kind of gotten off of there a bit, I'm going to soak up that grease and then throw it into the trash can or the composting bin. And that just leaves these kind of stuck-on bits. I like to take a sponge with a nice abrasive surface, really try to clear a bit of that off. You can put a little salt on there, kind of pro tip, and that helps to get some abrasion going on and clean that off in a natural way. Now, you don't have to be perfect. You know, it's an air fryer tray. It's going to have some little bits of burned on parts that might stay or discoloration, but that's much, much better. We're going to do the same thing with the rack on here. Take that sponge to it. Again, don't worry about perfection. Get that clean so that when you use the fryer again, nothing's going to burn on there. You can see most of that is off. We're going to slide that back into our air fryer, close it up, and then the final step, clean off the outside. If you're touching this with hands after handling the chicken wings and things, then it's going to need to be wiped down. And there we go. There's our nice clean air fryer.